Alright, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on you're watching me. Merry Christmas. Today is the 25th day of December 2025. I wish you all joy and peace that comes with Christmas. Please do well to send your chicken to me. If you're my subscriber, if you have been watching my video, don't forget to send your chicken. I'm waiting for your chicken. Actually, I do not use chicken. I have to use rabbits to do my own Christmas. But actually, this video was one of the rabbits I sent to one of my clients, which happened to be one of my lecturer in the university. Sir, I'm very grateful for your patronage, sir, patronizing me. Thank you very much. All right, guys, rabbit meat is the best white meat you can ever get. If you want to eat white meat, I say come and take rabbit meat and eat, and then you will thank me when you do that. All right, so I have to slaughter the rabbit. The process of preparing this thing to weigh it is not easy. Mhm. I have to slaughter it. I could not show video of where I slaughtered it because of social media policy, but this is after I slaughtered it. And then, I have to make sure that all the blood, I have to drain out the blood and make sure that it's well prepared, like it's well ready to be roasted. Some people don't like it roasted, some people like it skin, but me, I prefer it to be roasted. If you want the perfect blend of chicken taste and bushmeat taste, roast it and you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me in all my social media platform, and you keep getting this kind of video every week. I also do video about business growth and all that. Just subscribe and follow me. Thank you. All right, so I continue the roasting, and then I have to make sure I roast it and make sure that all the furs are out before I process it, because this is one big challenge is you have to make sure you roast it well. And firewood was the problem. I have to go and get firewood and all that. Actually, finally, I thank God I could roast it, and then it was wonderfully roasted, clean and neat. I have to place it on this wire mesh so that any other part that is remaining, any furs that is still remaining that have not been burnt should be totally burnt. And this is one thing that you have to make sure that if you are roasting, roast it well, because just imagine you're eating rabbit meat and you have to eat first. I have to snap after roasting, normal documentation things. I snap. So after snapping, I have to go and wash it. I start washing it. I have to make sure I wash it clean so that it's going to look presentable. And after washing, I have to butcher it, take away all the intestine, all the whole thing inside the stomach, so that it will be clean and ready to be smoked. And then finally washed, butchered it, and then I was ready to go and roast it. But first of all, I want to look for stick so that I can, you know, expand the hand and the leg so that fire can easily have access to the meat, so that it will be well dried or well smoked, whichever one. So this is it. After putting the stick, I have to take my picture. Normal thing now, I have to snap documentation process, and then we can head to the fire and start roasting, or I started smoking it. Firewood was the challenge, but this time around I had a lot of firewood. And that challenge was for it not to get burnt. So I have to be on ground 247 to make sure that it does not get burnt. 1 minute that you leave it, you will come back and then you have messed up the whole thing. So I have to be there steady. I was putting firewood, removing firewood, and finally the meat was ready. And it almost got burnt, but thank God it did not get burnt. Finally, I have to send the meat from Calabar to Warri. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow for more.